In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove stuff from your desktop without deleting it. If your desktop feels cluttered but you don't want to actually delete any files or shortcuts, a simple solution is to hide them instead. This is useful when you want a cleaner workspace while still keeping your items available on your computer. To start, go to your desktop and find the specific icon you want to remove from view. Once you've found it, right-click on that icon. A menu will appear, and near the bottom of that menu, click Properties. This will open a new window with settings for that file, folder, or shortcut. In the Properties window, stay on the General tab. Near the bottom, you'll see a section called Attributes. In that section, check the box labeled Hidden. After that, click Apply and then click OK. As soon as you do that, the icon will no longer appear on your desktop, but it has not been deleted. It's simply hidden from view. If you want to see that hidden item again, open File Explorer. At the top, click View, then go to Show and select Hidden Items. Once that setting is turned on, hidden files and icons will become visible, including the one you just hid. If you decide you want to permanently unhide that item so it shows normally again, go back to it, right-click, open Properties, stay in the General tab and uncheck the Hidden option. Then click Apply and OK. That will restore it to normal visibility on your desktop. This is a quick and easy way to organize your desktop without removing anything important. It's especially helpful if you want a cleaner screen but still want to keep your files exactly where they are.